Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to submit an XML sitemap to Google Search Console or Bing Search Console. But first, what is a sitemap? Long story short, a sitemap is a XML file that contains the list of all the URLs, all the pages you want Google to index, to crawl on your website. Because sometimes Google will not be able to crawl to discover new pages, either because the page is not getting enough SEO juice because it lacks internal link, or maybe the page is like too far away from the home page, basically, right? That's where the XML sitemap becomes pretty useful. Because not only will it help like Google better understand the structure of your website, but it will also like speed up the process of page discovery or like page recrawling because the page got an update whatsoever, right? Cool. Now let's get into the action. So first, in order to submit your XML sitemap, you need to know what's the URL of your XML sitemap, right? In case you don't know what that is, what you'll do is you'll basically copy paste the domain of your sitemap and put it in a sitemap checker, such as a free tool, such as this one. You can Google like SEO sitemap checker on Google and you'll find a free tool that allows to do it. And you click on check. All right. So this is the URL of my sitemap. Cool. So as you can see, this is like a small website that I have that is on WordPress. And as you can see, my XML sitemap has been generated by Yoast SEO, which is a powerful SEO plugin on WordPress. So I keep it short, but like, as you can see, sometimes depending on your plugin or the setup of your website, you'll have multiple sitemaps. For instance, you can have a sitemap for a specific category of page, such as pages, and another one for instance, blog post, right? Here, Yoast has set it up for like one for post, one for page, one for category, and so on, right? So there are like two ways of handling it. You can either like submit every single sitemap or submit the index sitemap, which is the sitemap that contains all the sitemap, which is what we're going to do here. All right. So you click copy paste the URL and then you go into the Search Console. All right. So once you're in your Search Console, you have to go in the sitemaps section. And then you have to add the URL of your sitemap here and click on submit. And voila, so the sitemap has been submitted and now it might take a few hours, a few days for Google to crawl it for real, right? But it has been successfully submitted. So that's a great news. And we are done for the Google Search Console part now. Now let's take a look at the Bing one. So it's actually the same. You can Google Bing Webmaster Sitemap. All right, let's go here. Okay, go to Sitemaps tool. Great. We are here. So either you already have submitted your website, but I did not on my end, so I'm going to add it. What's cool, since you've already done the work on Search Console, you can like import it directly. So I'm going to click on imports, continue. Allow. So you have multiple websites. So let me check the one that we've used. And now it's importing it. And I do wonder if it's going to import directly the sitemap. Let's see. All right. If I go on sitemap, yeah. So the sitemap has also already been submitted because I imported it from my Search Console. So as you can see, pretty easy. If you did not, you can do it manually by submitting the sitemap here. And voila. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech insight, SEO insights around web development, tech, side project, and side business, if I can say. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Peace.